Hello everyone, so in today's video we're going to talk about debit card. So debit card is pretty much the same like credit card. They have the same of the way that money flow. It's just work the same. Not work the same, I mean like it's just like the same. It's like and they are both like little plastic card and have a bunch of money in them. But debit card and credit card, they have some of their difference too. But there are also have some similar, like debit card and credit card are similar in that you can use to make a purchase in both of them. But with a credit card, the bank fronts you the money and then you prepay the money. So with a credit card, maybe you have money in your credit card and you spend all of it. Yes, and you spend all your money in your credit card, and and then if you don't know that you're using your credit card, you can you don't have, let's say you don't have $300,000 and you can still use that money to buy a houses or a car. I mean, yeah. So then the bank fronts you the money, and then if you don't that money, then you have to repay the bank later, about 30 days. But with a debit card is attached directly to your bank account. So when you use a debit card, the bank will pay the vendor and the money is immediately withdrawn from your account. So I like to use debit card more than credit card. So people actually do have credit card, but I use debit card. Not I mean my family. We use debit card more. So using a debit card, you can only use the money that you have in. So you can only use the money that you have in your checking account. So you're gonna use the money like that. You're not gonna spend like more money like a credit card, and then you have to pay the bank. So that's why debit card is really good for using. So as with a credit card, there are positive and negative when using debit card too. So the positive is, first of all, it is attached to your bank account. So first of all, it is attached to your account, and then if you can't spend more money, then you won't be in debt. That's why I like it. But in order to use it, you can't overspend as with money. Like, you can only spend what you have. But with a credit card, the bank doesn't know how much money you have, so you can overspend and accumulate debt. So yeah, I really like using debit card because of that. Attach your account and like that. Then you are unable to have debt. And the positive is also that you also unable to have debt, because you can only use the money you have. Unable to have debt. Yeah, that's second thing I really like about it. So if you don't have enough money in the account, the transaction will decline, and then you will decline. Not like credit card, they're gonna use some of the bank money too. And then also, it is also convenient. It is convenient. It is convenient. Why? Well, you don't have to deal with cash a lot, so you can just have a credit card and swipe pass by, and then it is paid. And then it won't, like credit card and then you won't be unable to have debt, and you will also like attach your account, so then you will be unable to have debt. So that's really cool, that debit card. But they also have negative. Well, the thing is, they have fewer incentive. Fewer incentive. So then, with fewer incentive than with a credit card. Well, you see, credit card, you can use it to pay cash back, airline miles, etc. But with debit card, you can't pay a lot of like that. Pay a lot of things like that. But remember, they also have positive too. Well, then there's also another negative. The last negative, it would be about convenience. Does that sound familiar? Well, because of convenience. So convenience is also in the positive, but they all are also in the negative. Why? Because even though there is protection, meaning that you can overspend it, so it is impossible, but it is so it is possible to withdraw your money. Yes, you can withdraw all your money without knowing it. But with a credit card, you can only like withdraw your money, your own money, but you can't. You can withdraw your money, but you can't withdraw the bank money. So that's what credit card is like. But remember, the bank also give you. But remember, when you are creating debit card and credit card, the bank also give you, the bank also give you like the, what is it? Yes, the bank also give you online access to your account, so then you can check it. So then you can be sure that you won't get all your money out. Yeah. So yeah, that's 2 negative and 3 positive. So I must told you that you should use debit card more than credit card, because it is attached to your account, so you won't spend more money and you'll enable to have debt. That's really great, and it is also convenient. But remember, there are also negative, but those negative is okay, because you can see there are fewer incentive. So you can't spend it on cashback, airline miles, and etc. But remember, it's have fewer incentives, so you can pay for cashback, but then you can't pay for airline miles. You can just pay for something like that. But because of convenience, you can also withdraw all your money. But remember, the bank also give you like online access to your account, so it is pretty good. Now let's practice, guys. Let's practice. Which is a positive feature of a debit card? A. Since you only spend money that is in your bank account, you're less likely to get in debt. Less likely to get in debt is wrong. You can never get in debt because you can only spend your own money. B. There are fewer incentive for debit card than for credit card. This is true, but you see, it is asking which is a positive feature. If you aren't careful, it is easy to run out of money using your card too much. Okay, yes, that is good, but that is true. But it is saying which is a positive feature. This is like you are less likely to get into debt. Maybe you own with someone, so you might be in debt about that. But you see, you're less likely to get in debt more than being with credit card. So it is. Why it is hard to get into debt with a debit card than it is with a credit card? Well, because a debit card will only allow you to spend your own money, but with your credit card, you can spend your money and the bank money. So that's why. So here's it. A is the correct answer. You can spend only $100 on a debit card per month. Well, if that's happened, I think this is not going to be a debit card. This might be a saving card. I mean, might be in a saving account. B. It isn't easy to get into debt with a debit card as it with a credit card. This is totally wrong. Not going to be true. But A is because the debit card will only allow you to spend your own money. So that is already in your bank account. So you can only spend your own money without spending the bank money. When does the bank collect the money from you for a purchase you make with a debit card? When does the bank collect the money from you for purchase you make with a debit card? So that means you buy something, the bank just gonna collect the money immediately. Why? Well, because you are not indebted by it. And you remember, you're using a debit card, so you're not gonna be in debt. So the bank's gonna send the money right away to the things that you purchase at what store. So no worries about that. How is a debit card different from a credit card? I'm pretty sure you can do this after this lesson and the last lesson too, because it's pretty easy. You see, debit card is all about debit card and credit card is pretty much similar to each other. They also have a big difference too. So, but I think you should use both of them because debit card it's gonna help you like not spend all your money, but credit cards are gonna help you like having like more incentive. But I think you should use credit card more because I mean debit card more because you don't want to be in debt, right?